Welcome to the Next Gen Transit Solution, a comprehensive platform designed to revolutionize bus scheduling and route management for Delhi's transport network. Our aim is to optimize resource utilization, reduce congestion, and improve the overall efficiency of public transport. Today, bus operations face numerous challenges. Inefficient scheduling: buses are often left idle, leading to wasted resources and increased operational costs. Unnecessary crew changes: frequent crew changes disrupt schedules and lead to longer waiting times. Lack of real-time adjustments: traditional scheduling doesn't adapt well to real-time changes like traffic delays or varying passenger demand. These issues result in higher costs for transit agencies and inconvenience for passengers. Our solution tackles these problems head-on with an innovative approach: linked and unlinked scheduling. For passengers, we've made it easy to access all the information they need. Our website offers a comprehensive timetable, an advanced bus search feature, and real-time bus tracking. Simply select your current and destination locations. If a bus is available, you'll get the bus ID, stop names, and timings at your fingertips. Want to track a bus? Just enter the bus ID, and you'll see all the stops along its route displayed on the map. Managers and admins have dedicated access on our platform. Depot managers can handle both linked and unlinked scheduling, track buses, and manage routes efficiently. Admins have additional authority to update databases, track buses, and access data from the crew and driver mobile app. Once schedules are set, drivers and crew receive immediate notifications on their mobile app. For linked duties, they get the details of their assigned trips, while for unlinked duties, they receive a unique handover code. This code must be shared with the next driver before the bus is handed over, ensuring a smooth transition. The app also provides options for leave requests, shows the total hours spent on duty, and displays their current live location. Our solution intelligently links bus schedules, assigning the same crew to linked routes for smoother operations and better resource utilization. Linked schedules reduce operational costs and improve driver familiarity. Unlinked schedules ensure flexibility and coverage, making sure no area is left underserved. After scheduling, we use advanced algorithms to optimize bus routes, identifying and minimizing overlaps. This helps in reducing redundant routes and saves travel time for passengers. The result is a more efficient bus network that serves passengers better, with fewer delays and shorter travel time. Our system integrates real-time data from GPS, traffic updates, and passenger feedback to adapt dynamically to changing conditions. This means buses can avoid congested areas, providing a smoother and faster service for passengers. Our system benefits everyone. Passengers enjoy timely service, drivers have better shift management, and city planners can use data-driven insights for future improvements. At Next Gen Transit, we are not just building software. We are building the future of public transport in Delhi. Join us as we make commuting smarter, safer, and more efficient for everyone. Let's make public transport a seamless experience together.